welcome back to my YouTube channel. I'm so happy that you clicked on this video because this is a very random plan जो मैं अभी जिधर जा रही हूँ. Let me quickly tell you about this video. It's gonna be an unfiltered vlog, my everyday day-to-day life, my workplace, what I do. It's like my summer vacations, so university is excluded from this. But yeah, other than that, I am going out with my siblings. It's gonna be a siblings date plus my child Sky. We're gonna go together. This is the look. I just quickly got ready. Actually, I got ready, like I changed my outfit to go somewhere else with my parents, but that got cancelled. Like we couldn't like get the stuff, like we couldn't get the entry. But now I'm going out with my siblings, so let's go. I'm gonna get one of this. Got this one. You guys, I don't think you can call my sister Desi anymore because she got this water. What? That's so pretty. Well guys, I'm back home. It is 11:51 p.m. but I got back home at around 10:30 p.m. We had so much fun, but my sister got me a lot of stuff. Let me show you. First of all, she got treats for Sky. She got me 2 packs of chips. I really wanted to try this. Let's open it up and see. I got this one. This scent. It is the French rose and almond oil. Soft and glowing skin. I really wanted this. It was really like affordable. Honestly, you guys, I really wanted to go, outside today. I really didn't have a good day. But yeah, let me just open it. I didn't have a good day, so it was like a really fun experience that I went with my siblings. I feel really grateful now that we 3 can go together. It's really nice. We used to dream about this when we were younger, but it's so much fun now that we can go out together. I'm going to use this tomorrow actually, and then I'll review it for you guys. I've tried this a lot. I didn't ever get it for myself, like personally for myself. So yeah, the packaging is so cute. I'm going to keep the packaging as well in like my bathroom. It has a lo-fi in it as well. So this is so cute, you guys. See? Pink to match the theme. Oh, this is actually very small, but like so cute. Lastly, you guys saw this when I was filming. But like this is new here, and it is the popping boba bubblegum drink. It's not the bubblegum drink, it's the bubble drink. And I got it in the flavor tropical. They had strawberry as well. They had some more flavors as well, but this is what it looks like. It's giving anime and it's giving comic. Why did I say anime? It's giving comic. It's giving pop art. It's giving my feel. It's giving my theme. But it was expensive, so really wanted to be good. But like I really wanted to try this. It looked so good, and this is the popping boba. and it's a tropical drink. Definitely gonna try it, and I will tell you guys, update you guys कि सब कैसा है ये. My best friend keeps on texting me, so I have to reply to my best friend as well. Love her. And yeah, after that we tried the Sizzlers from Soft Swirl. I really wanted to try Soft Swirl ke burgers, and it was really good. It was my brother's recommendation. मेरी बहन ने भी नहीं try किया था, and we tried it, and it was so yummy. But yes, I'm gonna go and sleep now, and I'll see you guys tomorrow. Tomorrow is Sunday, and then Monday office day. Good morning, everyone. It is a beautiful Sunday. Please ignore my hair. It's a hair wash day, so that's why it looks like this. I have to do my serum, spray, oiling, and my shampoo. So all of that will be done today. And I'm gonna try out the new body wash as well, and I'm gonna tell you guys about the review. I'm here right now because I have 2 active acne marks, like active acne, not marks. And my best friend suggested these Saniderm की pimple patches, and I saw them last night कि मुझे कहाँ से मिलेंगी. She gave me this pack, and रात को मैंने ढूंढ भी लिया कि कहाँ से मिलती है, and they are so good, work like wonders. So here they are. These are so different than the regular pimple patches that I've tried. I mean, the regular ones are like silicone, like plastic kind of. Right, so let's put it one here, the second one. So my friend told me that you could even do makeup on it. I think she did it, and like, look, they don't even look like, you know, so cute, and I can't see the pink dots. But yes, that was it. I'm gonna go have some breakfast and do my work. I just did the entire floor, which I cleaned, and ignore that mess. I am going to clean all of that, but let me show you what I'm doing right now. I'm going to iron these clothes for my office. Now let's go to my office. To head back home. I'm booking a ride back home. It's too far. Well, you guys, I got back home. I did my hair care, and now I'm currently teaching my student. He's here, and it's 6:34 p.m. Got back home at around 6 p.m. 6 p.m. my student आता है. And at around 6:55 p.m. it's gonna be an online class. I take online international students as well, so yeah. And my student is from Sharjah, so I have to arrange a Google Meet for him as well, so I'll show you guys. I'm done with the student. It's 6:50 p.m. I'm about to send this link to my student. He's a brilliant student, amazing communication skills. It's so fun to talk to him. I love kids who can communicate, honestly, at the age of 12, just 12. So yes, I'm about to send the link. Yeah. dinner. Guys, good morning. It is a beautiful Tuesday. It's raining heavy. I want to go by walk. Just to make up very simple and cute. Yeah, let's go have breakfast and go. Done with the hair care, and now I ordered some food for myself because आधे घंटे में break होने वाली है, so food is necessary. Yummy food is here. Home and just got done with my student. Now it's time for my international student, and I'll finally be free. And I just uploaded a YouTube video as well, so productive. Well, you guys, that was it for this video. Casual, realistic. Please ignore this mascara. It was a very casual, realistic days, kind of unfiltered vlog. My day-to-day life article is like this, so that's what I filmed. I am super tired right now. It's 9:08 p.m. I'm just gonna have a cup of tea, watch Netflix. I'm finally done with all the students, all the work, everything. Yeah, I think it's time कि अब मैं relax हो जाऊँ and सोने वाली करूँ, मतलब थोड़े टाइम तक Netflix वगैरह देख के बंद करके सो जाऊँ. So yes, thank you so much for watching. If you liked this video, make sure to give it a big thumbs up and subscribe. Bye.